Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rotary tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool. Using this particular rotary tool you can use 4 front LED lights, 5 speeds, and there are 60 accessories to choose from, and you can use it for carving, polishing, cutting, and sanding. Thus, based on the need for your project, you can use it with ease. It is lightweight and thus portable. You can use it as per your convenience. You can get the user manual, battery charger, and so much more with this product. You can do different crafting jobs such as crafting, grinding, and so much more. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ginour Rotary Tools Kit. It has a 6-speed adjustment mode and is available with free replacement and lifetime warranty. The handle of this particular product has an ergonomic design that makes it easy to hold and operate. Plus, it would be easy to clean and disassemble it. It has a powerful motor of 1.5 amp and it offers great compatibility. You can use this product for engraving, sanding, cutting, and so much more. In order to make your work more convenient, you can use the attachments. Such products can make you more creative, thus when you making a final purchase, check the best reviews. At number 3, we have the Rotary Tool TECCPO Professional. You can give it as a gift to someone who enjoys DIY crafts and projects. It comes with 84 accessories and hence, you can use it in a variety of ways. You can use it for different purposes like grinding, drilling, cutting, and so much more. Thus, it depends on you and your preferences as to how you want to use this product. It allows you variable speed settings so you can choose as per your references, and it offers great compatibility as well. You can check buyer reviews to find more information on this particular product, as it can be a suitable addition to your life. At number 2, we have the Utool Cordless Rotary Tool Kit 4 volts. It is cordless, so you need not go through the hassle of dealing with a wire. In fact, when there is a wire it is quite tough to use it. It offers 3 variable speed and there is a USB charging cable. This particular product would be suitable for small DIY projects, and as it is lightweight, you can carry it along. It would be easy to use and it has an ergonomic design. The charging time of this product is 1 to 2 hours, so it allows quick charging. It would be wise to read the manual content before using this particular product. And finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT 20 volts max SDS rotary hammer drill. Using this particular product it would be possible for you to brush motors and hence, it allows more runtime. You can expect durability when using this particular product, but it would be a good idea to check the customer reviews and see what others have to say about it. Such reviews can be of great significance in making a final purchase decision. If you want to get the battery and charger for this product, you have to keep in mind that these are separately sold. You can check the relevant features and specifications to check more information about this product. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.